O, dali. Snail catcher.
Where can I find snails?
Oh. I'll be the one looking.
What snails?
Oo. Sige. There's a lot.
Where's snail?
Snail catcher.
Poop!
Oh, himala. Wala sa papaya ni Lola. Ah, they're hiding. Kasi they know you will come out. Oh, dali. Lola, let's see sa ano.
We need a bucket.
Sige, ako kukuha. Dali, ka na. Oh. Diyan, tingnan mo doon sa halaman ni Lola kung meron. Bakit wala? Wala yung, ano niya, hinahanap namin eh.
Snail?
Hindi, snail. Suso, Lola.
Nasa mataas ng papaya.
Hala, ayun. Ang taas. Di naman makukuha ni Erson. Dito lang sa may baba.
So I think they love plants, so I think they're up here.
Ano? They are hiding. Di, dapat sa plants lang.
Dapat there.
Sa wall.
Opo, nasa wall.
Meron yan. Ina mo, makikita rin natin yan. Where are you? Where are you, snail?
Let's plant.
Siyempre meron yan kasi they're eating. Di namin makita. Ng ano? Ale, dali. Dali, may nakita. Hala. Asaan?
Under?
Sige.
I don't see it.
Ito, big.
Ayun! Ayun o, doon ka kay Lola. Doon, ayun o.
Nakikita ko na.
Oh, dali na. Catch mo na.
Side.
Oh, catch mo na.
I don't want to. Ikaw lang yung...
Hindi, ikaw nga eh.
Takot naman pala.
Natakot ka naman pala. Ano kayang snail catcher yan?
Gusto ko ikaw na lang. Please.
Hala.
Please,
Ano
ikaw
ba
na
yan?
lang.
Hindi, only one.
Ikaw na lang, tita.
Takot naman pala to. Ano ba yan?
I can...
Oh.
Dali na. Get to the girl.
Oh, ayan na. Oh, ayan na. Lo. Teka muna, hindi pumapasok yung ano eh.
It doesn't work.
Oh. Jada! Ah! Oh, look at the snail.
We need a bucket para makuha natin.
Bakit? Bakit? How many snail ba you like?
Some like... Some.
Oh, what will I do with this one?
How about a bucket? We need a bucket.
Let's put it here. Oh, ayan na. Whoops!